What is up, YouTube? My name is Mitchell. Welcome to this video. This is going to be a video on how to start investing. Maybe you already are investing, but you haven't heard of these other apps or websites I'm going to be talking about. All the links to these sites will be in the video description. So this is going to be I'm going to try and make this short and sweet for you guys, because I know you guys want to make that money out there really fast. So I'm going to talk about these sites, let you know what it is. The links will be down in the description. You sign up, you make money within, I would say, minutes. Okay, at least for some of them. So guys, just please listen to me. My name is Mitchell. This is Mitchell Makes Vids. Comment, like, subscribe. It would be really appreciated. Let's get into the video. So the very first site that we're going to be talking about is going to be called public.com. Use my referral code Mitch. That is MITCHHH. 3 H's in total. You will download the app, and you will be able to claim free stock courtesy of myself, maybe up to $20 or maybe more. Next, we have Webull. Now, Webull, you will be able to get 2 free stocks, okay? 2 free stocks. So what it is that you will open a brokerage account with Webull, you will get 1 stock. You direct deposit at least $5. $5, people. You will get another free stock, okay? It's just, I mean, this is just free cash. Next, we have BlockFi. So BlockFi will give you $10 in Bitcoin. When you sign up, you fund your account, and you maintain a $100 balance for 30 days, $100. You will get $10 in free Bitcoin. Next, we have Robinhood. Sign up, link your bank account, you'll be able to claim your free stock. Okay, I mean, all this stuff is super easy, guys, and within minutes. Okay. Next, we have M1 Finance. Sign up, you will have $50 waiting for you. Okay, all you gotta do is sign up and fund your M1 Finance account. I'm not sure of how much money that you need to use, but I know that I believe it's $100. I believe it's $100. So just fund the account $100. You have $50 free loaded into your account. I think it may take a few business days. Next, we have Moomoo. Okay, Moomoo. Probably not a lot of you guys have heard of Moomoo. All the other websites you probably have heard of, but Moomoo, I don't know. But what it is that you open a brokerage account through Moomoo, you'll get 1 free stock. You deposit $100 or more, you will get another free stock. And then if you deposit $5,000 or more, you will get 2 free stocks. I would do it. Moomoo is pretty nice. I mean, I like Moomoo, I would say, more than Robinhood personally. But that's just me. Next, we have SoFi. You will get $50 worth of your favorite stock to start building your portfolio when you fund your SoFi Active Invest account with at least $1,000. So for the people that don't have much money like that to invest initially to get this free cash, I would recommend joining Moomoo, M1 Finance. I mean, if you got at least $100, I think that's not that much money, nowadays. It's really not. Robinhood, that's a free stock. BlockFi, $100, you'll get $10 in Bitcoin. Webull, you get 1 stock immediately for just signing up. Public, you will get up to $20 in free stock, I believe, or possibly more. So guys, this is a video. I'm really just trying to help people out. I have a lot of other content on my YouTube channel. I do a lot of gaming stuff. I really upload whatever I want. So check it out. I think you guys will like my channel, so please, if I helped any of you guys out, spread the word. Use my links down below to get this free cash when you're signing up for these accounts. Use the links below in the video description. And guys, hope you enjoyed the video. This is Mitchell, and please stick around, and I'll see you next time. Everyone, take care, be safe, and start investing so you can make money. And let me know of any other videos that you want me to make in regards to investing. I like to follow it. It's something that interests me a lot. So guys, if you want more investing videos, please let me know. If you can follow me on Twitter too, that's in the video description. So guys, take care. Peace.